Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So today I have this yummy and tasty spaghetti jollof. I would love to share with you guys, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, EB2. Okay, now let's get started. So I have here the star of the show, of course, spaghetti. And then I have some sliced onion, diced fresh tomato, and then Scotch bonnet or Habanero pepper. I have here some fried lamb meat with some stock. And then I have here some garlic granules, canned tuna. I have canned tomato paste or puree. I have black pepper and then frozen vegetables, but you can use fresh vegetables. Then I have some olive oil and salt to taste. I'll be using 1 stock cube because the stock has salt and stock cube. Yeah, so my pan is on medium heat. I'm going to add my oil to it and let it heat up, and then fry my onion till it's translucent. My onion is nicely fried. Now I've added my tomato paste or puree to it. I'm going to stir it and let it fry for about a few minutes, and then add my diced tomato and Scotch bonnet to it. Now I'm going to add my diced fresh tomato and then with the pepper. I'll give it a stir and then let it fry for about a minute. Now I'm going to add my black pepper and then garlic granules to it. I'll give it a stir and then add my canned tuna to it, which is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't like it. And you can use any meat or any fish of your choice, and it will turn up being very nice. So I'll add my canned tuna to it and give it a stir, and then add my stock to it. Now I've added my stock to it. I'll give it a stir and then add my meat. With the meat too, as I said earlier, you can use any meat of your choice or fish of your choice. I will let it fry with it still a bit and then add water to it. Now I've added some water. I'll give it a stir and then cover it to boil. So I've not used the salt and the stock cube because the salt and stock cube in the stock is okay for me. So I will not be using the salt and the stock cube. Now it's boiling now. I'll now add in my spaghetti to it. Give it a stir and then cover it to let it cook for about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll check. Yeah, so it's been cooking for about 7 minutes now, and the water has reduced now and it's looking nicely. It's soft, juicy, and all that. So I'm going to stir it and then add my frozen vegetables to it. As I said earlier, you can use fresh vegetables or you can do without the vegetable. So I'm going to stir it and then cover it with foil and then let it simmer for about few minutes. Bam! As you all can see, my jollof spaghetti choke, like it choke. Look at how it's looking, very soft, juicy, and all that, and it tastes very, very nice. I'm not joking. This taste, oh my goodness! Just serve it with chilled juice, okay? And I know you dey enjoy your eye, Abby. Close up and make yours, okay? And I know you will love it. Try it. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so we keep what? Popping away happiness. Till next time, peace.